Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about these super cute houseplants. So I was pretty impressed by this. You can order 6 plants and they come to your house in a box. They were so well packaged. I feel like it's really important to mention that. They came so moist, and I just really genuinely feel like these plants are going to live. Based on how they arrived, now it's my job to keep them alive. But they come in a variety, so it says on when you order them that you don't really know exactly what you're going to get. It'll be 6 easy to take care of plants. So I got a few different pothos, a spider plant, an ivy. This is called a radiator plant, and then I have this little guy here, and it came with a free air plant, which is really cool too. So I definitely recommend this. I'm really impressed by the fact that they were well packaged, very well moisturized, and they just look really healthy and happy. And what more could you ask for when you order plants? It's a risk ordering them online, but I am genuinely very happy with this, and I definitely think you should check it out. And that is my point of view.